Welcome back again, guys. This is Fallon, and today I'll be doing some fried okra. All right, so let's get to it. So I start by cutting the ends off of the okra. You can do a bunch of them at the same time, or you can do them single. That's fine. I don't like the ends on. Sorry. And then I get a mallet, and then I use the mallet to press down onto the okra to let them flatten. So it looks like this. So I added all-purpose flour, coconut flour, and a little bit of cornmeal. I just wanted a different ratio, like a mixture of that ratio to get it the crust a little bit more interesting. Then I added 2 eggs, actually, not one. I just whipped those eggs just to get the mixture in the yolk, mix the yolk out. Add some Cajun seasoning and mix. You can add salt as well. I added Cajun seasoning to the flour mix just to season both of them. Then I add the okra to the egg mixture, and then I add that to the flour mixture. And just make sure your pot is hot in the meantime, so when you add the okra to it, it actually starts to fry and not just accumulate water. You know what I mean? It affects the actual texture. Now that you got everything done, you can serve it whatever you like. Honestly, this was really delicious and crispy. I had it with fish. Thank you guys for watching again. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.